Most guys spend years trying to look better. New outfits, new haircut, new everything, but nothing changes. You know why? Because you never fixed you. Do these 6 things for 30 days straight, and I promise, the people around you won't recognize who's standing in front of them. No surgery, no filters, no expensive products. Just discipline, applied in the right places. This is the 30-day glow up challenge, and it starts right now. Step 1. Fix your face. Here's something nobody tells you. Puffiness is silently destroying your looks. You could have perfect bone structure under there, and nobody would know, because your face is inflamed and bloated every single morning. Fix it, daily. Drink 2.5 to 3 liters of water, no excuses. Cut the salty food at night. Sleep 7 to 8 hours minimum. Stop drinking alcohol before bed. It wrecks your face overnight. Want faster results? Use ice. Massage your cheeks and jawline for 1 to 2 minutes every single morning. It reduces puffiness, tightens your skin, and wakes you up instantly. One more thing, keep your tongue pressed to the roof of your mouth. Do it consistently, and it naturally sharpens your jawline over time. And drop the forced wide smile. Relax your face. Let your features do the talking. Step 2. Master your grooming. Your grooming decides your first impression. Before you even open your mouth, short sides, volume on top. Keep your beard lines clean, or go with a light stubble. But here's what most guys miss: your skin. Avoid that oily shine. Aim for a matte finish. 3 products. That's it. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. Do it every single day. No shortcuts, no excuses. Grooming isn't vanity, it's respect for yourself and everyone around you. Step 3. Own your posture. Stand tall, but stay relaxed. Shoulders back, chest open, neck straight. And please, don't puff up like a superhero trying to look tough. That's not confidence. That's insecurity wearing a costume. Calm, upright, grounded. That's what real authority looks like. Step 4. Slow down. You're moving too fast, and it's killing your presence. Walk slower. Sit down slowly. Move with intention. Hold eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds. Look when you're listening. Look when you're speaking. Then break it, naturally. That's confidence, not arrogance. Confidence. There's a difference, and people feel it immediately. Step 5. Build your body. Your body is a report card, and it tells everyone exactly how much discipline you have. Cut sugar, cut junk food, work out daily, non-negotiable. You don't need a perfect program. You need consistency. Start, show up, repeat. Step 6. The real upgrade. This is where most guys stop. And that's exactly why they stay average. Start investing in quality clothes. Start building something. A business, a skill, an income stream. Because here's the hard truth. Looking good without purpose is just decoration. And decoration fades. Do all of this consistently, and by the end of 2026, people won't recognize you. Not because you changed your face, but because you upgraded your standards. Most people are sitting around waiting for a glow up to happen to them. But glow ups aren't given, they're built. And if you want to take your look even further, I already made a full video on how to transform your hair completely at home. Straight to curly, step by step. Results that actually last. Link is in the description. Go watch it right now. And if this content actually moves you, subscribe. Because on this channel, we don't do fluff. We don't do shortcuts. We only talk about one thing.